a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. If a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put.
Yo, I look so dark. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. So yeah, we are starting a new vlog. I'm in town, so I wanna withdraw some money. Guess what? This is YouTube money. This is YouTube money, guys. If there is any money that makes me excited, is the YouTube money. I think I told you that I have a news channel which was monetized. So yeah, I'm actually collecting. Is it my second paycheck? Yeah, I think. So I'm at First Capital. I wanna get some money, then send MB some money, go back home, buy a few stuff that I need, then go back home, guys. And I'm in Mutare. That's why I'm not seeing me consistent on YouTube. It's because I'm so busy. I'm focusing on Ganauri Kumusha and stuff. Like, you're just busy, you don't have time to be vlogging. I thought I was going to be consistent as much as I wanted, but then I'm not. Like, I'm just saying, good, I'm so busy and I don't have the time to be vlogging. But I do hope that I will make a vlog and upload it. Yeah, so let's see each other, guys, in the next minute. It's actually past 7. So obviously they open at 8. So yeah, I will catch you later. Bye.
100 gram on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. If a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day.
Hey my love, welcome to a new day in the vlog. Yeah, it's actually a new day in the vlog. And ngisemakhaya, I'm coming from church. Today is a Sunday. Yeah, I don't know when I'll get to edit this vlog. Yesterday I went to town. I wanted to collect some cash. I couldn't do like the baby stuff shopping that I wanted to do because I like my mom had sent me to buy like a brailler finisher thing like maize seeds you get, like it's raining, people are actually like planting maize and stuff like that. So I was just like, I'm not gonna buy anything, but I know I will need to get in town to buy baby stuff and stuff like that. Yeah, guys. Okay, this is Maria sending me messages. I'm getting notifications. My phone is not on silent, but that's fine. So I thought this is the perfect angle to talk to you guys and say hi. I know I'm not consistent, but yeah, I would. No, okay. I don't know when I'll get to sit down, edit the vlog, upload. I just don't know, but I do hope that I'll get time to sit and edit, then upload the vlog. Obviously going back to Bulawayo on the 6th of January. I don't know, we'll get to that. But yeah, I thought I should talk to you guys a bit. Yeah, kurukunakiza kumba, everything is just okay. Tangati chenda kumunda, like the past 2 days, like on Like I went there like 2 days after Christmas and day after. Basically, it's just okay nje. So ndasala kungona, ndasala kuti ndione gogo, like my mom's mother, my grandmother. I need to go and see her before I go back to Bulawayo, basically. So yeah, guys, that's it. Let me get home. I'm almost getting there. See you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like us. We will reach 1K. Okay, let me not get there. Hey? Urukuite nana? Shosho?
Comes as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
I'm in no one, yeah, I know.